Welcome to my e-portfolio. My name is Siham Abul Hassan. Here I will give a brief description about me, my life, and also my academic progress. The e-portfolio gives true account of my life before and after joining CUNY School of Professional Studies. I have taken the CM 20301 Introduction to Communication and Media class this semester. About me. In this section, I'm going to discuss in details about my life. This section offers the reader the chance to get to know me better. The reader gets to read more about my history and the path I have taken up to this point. As pointed out earlier, my name is Siham Abul Hassan. Currently, I live in New York City and I'm an RN. I'm a recent graduate, only becoming a nurse last year. I work in Bellevue Hospital and love every second of being a nurse and the impact of our job on the people around us. I'm a mother and wife with two children and loving husband. Compared to many others, I started my nursing career relatively older than others. I decided to choose to be a nurse because I wanted to get a job that benefits people. For me, seeing a patient thank me or compliment me is the greatest thing in the world because I know I positively affected them and wouldn't change this job for the world. Studying online helps give me the flexibility I need to balance schoolwork and my family. I will be graduating from CUNY SPS with bachelor degree in 2019. I'm currently taking two classes this semester and this is my third semester. I was born in Morocco in a family of six girls. I developed an interest in the nursing profession at an early age. The desire in me to help other people meant that I would later in my life venture into a career that supported my personality. I come from a place where family values are highly upheld. As a family person, balancing work and studies is critical. This explains why I choose to take online courses because I have to work and take care of my family as well. Also, I like traveling with my husband and our lovely children. Resume. On the third section, I have attached my resume. The attached document gives a detailed account of my academic qualification, contact, and my work history. I have also attached my LinkedIn profile, which offers the reader with a chance to get to know more about my professional history. Social media skills and presentation. This is the final category of my e-portfolio and it documents my academic progress. In this section, it features the work I have covered throughout the semester. The main aim of this category is to reflect on what has been covered in this class and also highlight the two main things I have learned. Media presentation. One of the things I have learned in this class is how to create media presentation. Prior to taking this class, I didn't have experience with media presentation. Though the tasks were challenging at the beginning, I got the hang of it through a lot of practice. In Learning Unit 3, I remember recording the presentation 5 times before finally being able to publish the final product on YouTube. Screencast-Matic is one presentation tool that I have become used to. Learning how to create media presentation is one accomplishment I will not take for granted. Social media skills. All through the class, I got the chance to interact with various forms of media. Through this exposure and interaction, I got to learn few skills. The world has rapidly changed and one has to be updated on what is going on. Technology has advanced and the millennials are the biggest user of social media. Through the help of this class, I had the opportunity to put myself in the shoes of millennials and get involved with their social media activities. I had the chance to create an Instagram account and learn a bit about hashtags and how social media use social media to push their various agenda. Finish the screencast by reflecting on how the semester was. Reflection on the semester. Generally, the semester has been good. The assignments were intense but worth it. At the start of the semester, I had no idea that we would have such tasks. Along the way, I got to learn new skills useful in the current work. The burden of this weekly assignment was lessened by the professor guidance and adequate weekly resources. Due to the nature of the semester, there was so much to cover in a quite short time. Sometimes juggling between work and handling the class assignment was a bit challenging. However, the time between the assignments was sufficient and managed to hand in all the assignments punctually. I'm looking forward to enrolling in the next class. I hope it will be challenging and fun in equal measure as this class has been.